Hello everyone, welcome back to AI and Automation Studio. Today is the final lesson in our Excel VBA Basics series. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use if, then, and else to make decisions. Today, we'll learn about the for next loop. A for next loop allows VBA to repeat the same instructions multiple times. This is extremely useful when working with multiple rows of Excel data. Let's take a simple example. Suppose we have 5 employees in rows 2 to 6, and we want to write the word process in column C for every employee. Instead of writing the same code 5 times, we can use a loop. The code is for I equals 2 to 6. Cells open bracket, I comma 3 close bracket, dot value equals processed. Next when we run this macro, VBA starts at row 2 and writes processed in column C. It then moves to row 3, row 4, row 5, and finally row 6. So one small piece of code can process multiple rows automatically. Let's see another practical example. Suppose column B contains monthly salaries, and we want to calculate annual salary in column C. We can write for I equals 2 to 6. Cells open bracket I comma 3 close bracket dot value equals cells open bracket I comma 2 close bracket value multiplied by 12. Next VBA now goes through every employee, takes the monthly salary, multiplies it by 12, and puts the result in column C. The important thing to remember is that I represents the current row number. So I change this from 2 to 3, then 4, 5, and 6. We can also combine the for next loop with the if statement from our previous lesson. For example, VBA can check every employee's salary and automatically display high or low. And this is where our basic VBA concepts start working together. We've learned variables, objects, worksheets, ranges, cells, methods, conditions, and now loops. These are the fundamental building blocks of Excel VBA. From the next video, we'll stop focusing on individual concepts and start building small practical VBA projects using everything we've learned. If you found this series useful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI and Automation Studio. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our first VBA project.